Hi, my name is Lowell and welcome to Red's Journey TV's educational tutorial. If you're using Moodle as a platform for delivering your course online and you want to know how to set up your assessment tool in your assignment activity, I will show you how to do it quickly. But before we proceed, make sure you click the subscribe button and that notification bell so that every time we upload new videos, you will be the first to know. Okay? Now let's remember that before you can create a marking guide in your assignment activity, you should have made or created your assignment already. In this example, I'm going to use this assignment activity, unit task, summarizing concepts using graphic organizer. Now in the grade section, okay, let me show you the grade section. In the grade section, make sure you set the grading method to marking guide. Okay, you see here, it's set to marking guide. If not, then you need to set this one to marking guide so that you can create your marking guide for this activity. Then you can also set the maximum grade points based on the marking guide that you are going to create. Click Save and Display. Now to add your marking guide, you just click again the gear icon, then go to Advanced Grading. Now I would like to make a point that marking guide and rubric are advanced grading method in Moodle, and basically it is used to assess authentic performances of your students. So you just click advanced grading here. Now in the marking guide window, you will be prompted to define new grading form from scratch or create new grading form from a template. So let's just hit define new grading form from scratch, and then you can add the name for the marking guide. Let's say marking guide for graphic organizer. Then you can add now a criterion name. The first criterion would be timeliness. Add description for students so they will know what timeliness is all about. Submitted the task a day before the deadline. And you know, this description is also available to your students. Now you may also choose to add description for markers. You only do this if you are inviting other teachers to evaluate also the performance task of the student. If none, then you can leave this blank. Now let's add maximum score for timeliness. For this example, let's use 5 points as maximum score. Let's add another criterion. Since this is a graphic organizer, let's just try to use this criterion, organization. Then let's add the description for students. Maximum score is also 5. Okay, now total maximum score for this marking guide is 10, and you remember you set already your grade section to maximum of 10 points. Okay, once done, you click save and make it ready. Now let's go back to the unit task or to the assignment activity. In this example, I have already 2 enrolled students or participants. Now assuming that they already submitted the task, so you can now proceed and grade those tasks. So click grade, and then the layout window will show. Here in this window, this is supposed to be the review window, and you will see here the submission of your student. Then you can also add comments to the submission of the student using the following tools here. At the right side, you will see here also the marking guide that you just created. Okay, so assuming that the student submitted the task a day before the deadline, so I may give her 5 points for that. Then in the organization, looking at the description, the graphic organizer demonstrates an understanding of the topic its relationship and related concepts. Let's say there are some concepts that are not related presented in a graphic organizer, so you may give 4 and provide also your remarks here. Let's say few concepts in the graphic organizer have no connection to the topic. Once done, click Save Changes. Then let's go back to View All Submission. As you can see here, the student already received the grade. So the grade and the remarks you provided will also be visible to your students. Alright, so I hope you learned something from this short tutorial, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.